Oh, hang on, this isn't a Corvette. Well, that would be because the Corvette is now outside, parked on the driveway, wrapped for the winter time. The way we got this stupid thing out, we dropped it on a 2x6 on some dollies and just, you know, pushed it out the door. And now, because the Corvette is out, the day has come where I'm gonna start tearing into this pile of crap. Basically, getting the box off, getting the front clip off, getting the engine out, getting the diff out, so I can start from complete scratch when I start putting the diff in, the engine in, and the 6-speed. Time to tear the box off a start. The box is gonna be the first thing to come off. Well, I mean, bumper first, and then the box, and then after the box is off, I'll probably get it up on jack stands, tear the front clip apart and whatnot, and we'll go from there and see how we do. Oh, let's see what we got. I gotta take the bumper off first. Oh, it's probably 11/16. Oh, it's smaller than 11/16. Oh, it's a good thing I've had this bumper off like 3 times in the past 2 years, because it just wants to fall off, literally. Look at that. Alright, bumpers off. Come on. This thing weighs like at least 50 pounds by itself. I'm gonna try to. I gotta take the lights off first. I want to wreck the end tailgate. Oh, these bolts always suck. S10 tailgates suck. You have to take the whole hinge out so you get the gate off. There's no opening just out of out like C10 tailgates. You have to take the whole hinge off to slide the gate out and pull it out from the other side. Oh, that was a healthy noise. Let's go, take it off. Okay, I just gotta pop the lights out and I'll tip the box off here pretty shortly. I'm just gonna have to suck it. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the box from the back, pull it this way, and then pick it up from the front and tilt it and roll it off. Oh yeah, look at this, this is nothing. I could probably just, like, yeah, look at this. I'm gonna get this in a position where I can get it a little easier and then do it. What is it catching on though? Oh, that'll do it. Is this stupid? Yes. Am I doing it anyways? Also yes. Whatever, we're just gonna send it. There we go. Box off. Yeah. Okay, I need to put my warm coat on so I can throw the box out the door because it's gonna get real cold in here. It's like minus 21 Celsius right now. Big thick welding gloves because that's the only pair I can find right now. Oh yeah, that weighs like 200 pounds if. It's time to get cold in here. Okay, garage is open. I am going to yeet this out of here. Yeah, so I might have scratched the shit out of that, but I really don't care. I am going to pull my truck backwards now. Whee! Boy, I got that way far back now. Hell yeah. All right, that was kind of a mess, but we got the box off. Truck's now pulled backwards. It could go back more if I need to, but I'll get it up on jack stands. Now I'm gonna start tearing the hood off, the fenders off, drain the rad, get the rad support off, and we're gonna go from there. So we'll keep going. We're getting the hood off now, so I'm gonna get the hinges off, throw it on the side. Alright, this is kind of the ghetto way to do this, but what do I do that isn't ghetto? So, okay, one second. When you live alone, you gotta find ways to do things yourself. Yeah, here we go. I actually went the wrong way. Oh god, this is chaotic. See my flip this around. Alright, the hood's off. I'm gonna start getting the fenders and the rad support out now. Okay, we gotta get a drain pan so we don't make a big mess. Stuff it under there, somewhat around here. Because if you can see it, right down in there is the drain, and it drains right under the inner fender because GM apparently doesn't know how to do their rads in a nice way for you. Oh, unless it's gonna go right into the drain pan. Oh, nope, no it's not. Come on, man. Don't do me like that. Whatever, let her buck. Oh, God. What a mess. Pop the rad cap off and make a floodgate. Here we go. Hopefully that's all going in the pan. Okay, we're good. All right, we got the hood off, rad 10, the grill and the bumper off the front, and the fender's all disconnected. It's ready to be pulled. There's like 15 or 16 bolts all around this stupid thing holding it on, so I'm gonna set you up and get the fender off. So there, now with the fender off, you can see just how much access I have to all this crap. There are gonna be 2 more bolts, the main mount for the rad support holding it on, and then the other fender still has to come off. Okay, here's where we're at. We got the fender off on this side, fender off on that side. They came off pretty easily, it wasn't so bad. Got all this junk dangling here. Everything on the rad support's disconnected. There's 2 bolts on the bottom holding it on, so I'll pop those out and get that off. Okay, there's bolt number 1. Alright, there we go. Okay, I'm just gonna let that sit there. Bye-bye, rad support. There's a stripped front end of a pickup truck. Nice. That looks disgusting. Look at this thing. Alright, there we go. There's the front end of this thing torn all apart. It looks like hell, probably because it is. And now I'm gonna focus on getting all the wiring off, getting the engine stripped so that I can pull it and the tranny out at the same time. All right, so we've got everything disconnected. All the wiring is off. The trans mount's disconnected. All the wiring to the trans is off. Everything on that side is off. The motor mounts are disconnected. It's hanging from the hoist. I'm gonna lift it up and see if we can get it out. It's gonna make a mess, but that's what we gotta deal with. Like this. There we go. I might have to pop that starter off. Yeah, I have to pop the starter off. Starter's held on with like 2 9/16 bolts. And other than that, it's freaky. Like, I could also tilt it backwards with this. Yeah, that's just caught up on. Oh, maybe not. Really? Oh my god, it's gonna come right out. It's literally just gonna come right out. Hell yeah! Huh. Yeah, here we go. This is incredible. Look at that. That just fell out. It never goes that easy. That's crazy. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna get it out and put it on the floor. What a mess. Hell yeah. Come on. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay. That's engine out. The engine's out. It literally just fell out. I jacked it up and it pulled right out. I can't believe that. I've pulled engines out with my dad and with friends before, but never alone and never that easily. So I'm stoked. It just fell out. That's incredible. From here now, I guess I need to clean up the garage. There's shit all over the place and fluids all underneath, but whatever, that tends to happen. And then I'm gonna get right into taking the diff out and I'm gonna mock up the engine, the rear end, and we're just gonna keep going from there. It's gonna be crazy.